the angels in the sky. What appears to be the heavenly rain that cheers when angels cry. Like the west, I've been direction that after I'm pulling the trig. After the how to get from my barrel like windows and bullet gon' shatter that dig. It's a itty bitty pieces, blowing that's the fucking chunk. All that rigor more than hit, I'm body smelling like a skunk. Devil shit is what I'm bringing to your goddamn virgin earth. And this shit will disappear, so please don't play like you can't hurt.
You won't hear the sound of the loud buck. You faggot feeling like my gauge rigged and let you fuck. Ain't no love, got my glove looking for a victim, bitch. Niggas sitting on the stand, pulling me the fucking dick. Like you haters, fuck you haters mad, cause I'm living well. Till you stolen, fuck your hoe and put her on the street to sell. And a man is cold hearted, all you feelings disregarded. Shooting limit point blank, all you niggas quickly parted. That's fake killers, crucifixes strapped on the track, slanging crack. Fuckers better watch they back, watch they back.
From the spirit, see the angels in the sky. What appears to be the heavenly rain that cheers when angels cry. Like the west, I've been direction that after I'm pulling the trig. It's about how to differ from my barrel like windows and bullet gon' shatter that dig. It's a itty bitty piece of blowing that's the fucking chunk. All that rigor more than hit, I'm body smelling like a skunk.
Bob's musical query right up the speaker. Them TNT bitches will take out business up there and get the original copies up at the musical aquarium. You can get adjustable crafts, Royal City Sound, Dog, Super Sharon, Regis Creation, the Airbus John right there, Dakota, Peroni and Sugar Drive, Cats in Whitehaven, Ice Record Shop, Rico at the Boat Barbershop on 3rd, cutting up, located in Deborah's Beauty Shop, right next door to the Sound City bitches right down 3rd, so I'll take out business to my nigga Rico at the Boat Shop.